In this video, we will create this parallax transition like Magnatesmedia with only CapCut. I uploaded this type of tutorial before, so you might check it out after this video. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the two backgrounds to the timeline, which I generated them using free AI software. If you want all the assets used in this video, I'll put a link under description below. Then position the backgrounds like this. Select them and make them a compound clip. Upscale to the first background in which we will begin the transition. Then add the 5 gentlemen to the timeline. Then Albert Einstein image. And add the audience. Position them like this. Add keyframe on transform and move the playhead forward. Then upscale it and drag it down. Add another keyframe on Einstein, then move to the same keyframe and upscale and drag it up a little bit. Then repeat the step to the gentleman and the background. So it looks like this. Now add a blur effect on the audience layer. Then set it to 5 or 6. Also add it to the gentleman. Then add hazy effect above all layers and adjust the blurriness to 30. Add another blur effect on the background and set it 3 or 4. Then add an adjustment layer to adjust the color. Add a saturation keyframe, then move exactly to the second keyframes, then set the saturation to -50. Then add another 2 keyframes and drag the layer down on the last keyframe. Do this for both Einstein and Gentleman. Then add same keyframes to the background and then drag it down to move to the second scene. Add the second Einstein picture at the transition of the scene and position it like this. You can expand the background a little bit. Add keyframe at the starting of the layer, then move and add another like this, then drag it down at the first keyframe. Add the text layer beneath the first Einstein layer. Type the text you want. In this case, I'll type relativity. Change the font, something like this. Go to Animation and select Grow. Then add keyframe. Scale it and position it like this. Add our animation called Expand. Then add another text layer to the second scene. Then type EEMC a quadrant equation and change font to Typer. Add the typewriter animation. Then add a black background under Einstein layer and reduce the opacity. Also, change each keyframe curves to circular ease. For the final touch, select all layers and make them a compound clip. Then add motion blur with 50, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and comment if you have any questions.